and spokesperson, Athletics Federation of India, to please address all of us.
Here, this Saturday we will be hosting the VA Athletics Federation of India along with the government of Odisha. Will be hosting the World Athletics Continental Tour Silver Series in Bhubaneswar. As you are aware, we had hosted the bronze level last time, and this time we are going to have the silver level championships. We have a host of very, very good athletes. There are 36 athletes who are ranked in the top 50 in the world. 36 athletes ranked 50 in the world amongst the 188 athletes from 28 nations taking part in this series. Will be very, very pleased to watch the top athletes in action. We have amongst the top athletes world number 6 and Olympic bronze medalist Muzala Samukonga from Zambia taking part, along with Nigeria's shot put champion, who is world number 10, Chukwuebuka Enaukewichi, and he's also the Commonwealth champion. For India, the highest ranking is Sri Shankar. He is twice silver medalist at the Commonwealth Games and is ranked 15th in the world. So we are looking at some very, very good jumping championships here. In the men's javelin throw, Rohit Yadav, the two times Asian shot put champion, Tejinder Singh Toor in the 200 meters, our local champion Animesh Kunjur is the favorite at home, are amongst the prominent athletes that are going to be taking part, and this will serve as a good stepping stone for the Asian Games to be held in Japan. Women's 100 meters hurdles, discus throw, these are expected to be of very, very high value, and I hope we have good fans in the stadium because they will really enjoy these championships. I must place on record and thank the government of Odisha, who have upgraded this from bronze to silver, and World Athletics for giving us the World Silver Championships. The support that the government of Odisha has given to athletics. Just to remind you that the government of Odisha bid for the 2028 World Championships of indoors. For this is the first time an indoor track and field championship is ever going to be held in India, and also the Asian Indoor Championships.
Shri Stanley Jonesy and my colleague Mr. Ashok Panda, Special Secretary from the department, other senior and the junior colleagues from the department, and other dignitaries who have come here. Single day event on 22nd of August. As Sumeri Balaji has told, it is a significant stepping up in terms of the level of the tournament that we are organizing. Last year during the same month, in fact, we have held the bronze level of a tournament. So this is an upgrade from bronze to the silver level. So in terms of the hierarchy, if you are seeing, so after the challenger level tournament that happens, so up in the hierarchy there is a bronze, and then comes the silver, then the gold, and then the diamond league. So it is a significant step for government of Odisha. In fact, we are very thankful the appreciation that has been shown by Indian Athletic Federation of India. It's quite mutual. So we have been supporting athletics in a big way, which you all know that women. There are more than 80 plus athletes who are coming in fact 99 as per the registrations that have happened. Across the world, 99 players, foreign nationals are coming. And also 27 or 28 countries are participating this time around. So last time it was 19 to 20 countries. So again, it is a significant step up in this regard. We are also having a good Indian contingent here. The medalists who have achieved excellence in Commonwealth in Glasgow, so even they are going to be present here. Also, you know that government of Odisha. In fact, I should thank my honorable minister in absentia because of some urgent work that he has gone to the athletic ecosystem that has been built in India. So with these remarks, I also open the floor to questions.
In front of you for the pre-event teaser release.
Last year, we heard the starting gun. This year, we are raising the bar. Bronze was just the beginning. Now Odisha steps up to silver. The fastest, the strongest, the ones who don't stop at limits. 18 events, 20 plus countries, 200 plus athletes. One stadium, one dream, one night where every second matters. And this time, India's athletics story gets a new chapter. 22nd August 2026, Kalinga Stadium, Bhubaneswar. The track is ready. The field is ready. Odisha is ready. Watch the world race. Watch history unfold. Indian Open World Athletics Silver Level Continental Tour.
May I kindly request everybody for a huge round of applause because this
The number of athletes participating is 188 as of today. Indian athletes are 88. Foreign athletes are 100. Asian athletes are 143. For the prize money, first prize is $1,600. Second is $1,200. Third is $900. Fourth is $600. Fifth is $400 and sixth is $300. Now, how it helps how it helps Indian athletes. We keep sending Indian athletes abroad for many competitions. Here, we are inviting people here for two reasons. One, our athletes will be able to compete in their own home surrounding environment ecosystem. Secondly, young children will come and see the events. They get a chance to come, see, get enthused, and take part in sports. So it serves a double purpose. Instead of sending people out, they come in here, participate here in our conditions, and also we hope that the stadiums will be full. There is also a live feed that is going out, so that will go out to a lot of our own people across World Championships as well as the Senior World Championships. So the whole idea is that we should finally host the World Championships in India.
हम भी आपसे ये अनुरोध करेंगे कि जितना ज़्यादा हो पाए इतना ज़्यादा आप मार्केटिंग जो है आपके दौरान प्रेस और बंधु मित्र जितने लोग हैं यहाँ पे, तो आपका प्रिंट और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया और डिजिटल माध्यम में जो भी हो सकते हैं इसको ज़्यादा एडवर्टाइज करें ताकि हमारे बच्चे भी इसका थोड़ा बहुत फ़ायदा उठाए। तो आपका मित्र जो है ये क्वेश्चन भी पूछे, एथलेटिक्स जो भी स्पोर्ट्स बोलते हैं खाली उसका कोचिंग ट्रेनिंग का ये नहीं है, उसके बाद आता है इसको जितने भी साल भर जो सालाना जो है 2 साल 3 साल जो हमने कोचिंग ट्रेनिंग लिए हैं उसको दिखाने का एक प्लेटफॉर्म भी चाहिए, वो होते हैं कॉम्पिटिशन्स। तो इस कॉम्पिटिशन्स ऐसे लेवल ऑफ कॉम्पिटिशन की वर्ल्ड लेवल ऑफ एक कॉम्पिटिशन यहाँ पे होता है, तो हम उसका बहुत ही लाभ हमको भी उठाना है, आएंगे तो हम बहुत ही सेटिस्फाइड और सक्सेसफुल हो जाएंगे।
हाउ बीट रह गया है,
तो यहाँ से बेसलाइन शुरू होगा।
सिलेक्शन यहाँ नहीं है, एशियन गेम का सिलेक्शन हो चुका है, लेकिन दिस इज अ स्टेपिंग स्टोन। इनको एक प्रैक्टिस मीट मिलेगा, बड़ा से इंटरनेशनल मीट मिलेगा, कोई एशियन गेम डायरेक्ट जाके भागता नहीं है उसको, और उसके पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे आगे क्वालिफिकेशन के लिए। वर्ल्ड एथलेटिक्स में जो रैंकिंग होता है उसमें इसके पॉइंट्स है, तो इसके पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे एथलीट को।
ओके, थैंक यू।
We have found time and joined us today for the press conference of Indian Open World Athletics Silver Level Continental Tour. Thank you so much for joining us today.